Wake up, Mr. Wiggles. Mr. Wiggles, wake up. Oh, good morning, Mr. Wiggles. Good morning. Mr. Wiggles, can you help me with the flowers, please? Yes, thank you, because I've got some red and green and... Mr. Wiggles? Mr. Wiggles, what's the matter? What are you looking for? Mr. Wiggles? You've lost your friends? Oh, Mr. Wiggles, what? Maybe they're behind the flowers. No. Mr. Wiggles, I have an idea. Maybe they are playing hide and seek. Yes, shall we have a look in your home? Yes. Okay, let's open up the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mr. Wiggles, look, there's a caterpillar. Is this your friend? Yes. Oh, big hug for Caterpillar. Oh, there we are. Mr. Wiggles, look, there's a ladybird. Is this your friend? Yes. A kiss. Oh, and a hug. Oh, there we are, Mr. Wiggles. Are you happy? Yes. Oh, thank you, Mr. Wiggles. Thank you. What's the matter, Mr. Wiggles? Are you sleepy? Do you want to go to sleep? Okay then, go to sleep. Let's close up everything.